यहाँ पर कंसल्टेंट जो EGIS कंसल्टेंट से आए हुए हैं, आपकी टीम इनका में यहाँ आने पर, कीमती समय देने पर आपका वेलकम करते हैं। आपको कमिंस प्रोडक्ट, कमिंस और सुधीर प्रोडक्ट वैसे आम मार्केट में कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है। बहुत प्रोजेक्ट्स में यूज भी किया है।
अच्छा,
एयरपोर्ट्स में, लखनऊ एयरपोर्ट में।
आपका नाम क्या है?
परवीन।
आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत बढ़िया और कमिंस के साथ तो सुधीर बिल्कुल एक तरह से पूरा जॉइंट वेंचर है एंड प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी गुड एंड ऑल्सो विद गुड प्राइस।
नॉर्मली कस्टमर गुड प्राइस नहीं कहता है, कस्टमर के लिए तो हमेशा बोलता है वो प्राइस सुधीर का ज़्यादा है, अधिक है। यस, प्रोडक्ट
आपके कंपटीटर के
दूसरा ये भी कह सकते हो कि प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट जो रिलेट करने के बजाय, क्योंकि एक तरफ एप्पल है, एक तरफ बाकी सारी दुनिया है, पर एप्पल फिर भी बिकता है। तो क्वालिटी, रिलायबिलिटी, अवेलेबिलिटी जैसे नंबर 1, तो ये मैं कहूँगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, आप कहेंगे तो शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा।
वही क्वालिटी और आपका जो कस्टमर सर्विस है, मतलब इट्स मच बेटर, यही मैं कहना चाहूँगा। और हम लोग काफ़ी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में रिकमेंड करते हैं।
थैंक यू, आपकी वजह से ही, कंसल्टेंट टीम की वजह से ही आज ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इस स्टेज पर पहुंची है। आपका इस सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे कंसल्टेंट की वैसे तो यहाँ बहुत सारे, मैं किसी को कुछ बोलूँगा, किसी को कुछ बोलूँगा, पर वाकई एक बाई हर्ट कंसल्टेंट की दुनिया में ये तो कोई नाम है तो वो सिंगल साहब का है। इधर तो वैसे हमारे DK सक्सेना जी भी हैं और आप हैं। आप यहाँ आए, कीमती समय निकाल कर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और राय साहब, ऐसे तो हम प्रोजेक्ट में कभी कभी मिलते हैं, पर आज यहाँ आपने टाइम निकाल कर आए, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Excellence, dependability, innovation and service backed by 24/7
सुधीर का टीम, सुधीर एंड कमिंस टीम, they are all standing
at Cummins India
just to give the support for all consultant teams.
We earn it. It's been that way for more than 60 years and always will. So the next time you think power, think Cummins.
This presentation especially consultant meet for genset business and some other product, but Sudhir is having multiple product like gensets 7.5 kV to 375 kV and LT panels 415 volts 11 kV and 33 kV TTA panels, LNT and Schneider। यहाँ पर कमिंस का टीम जो इस कंसल्टेंट मीट के ऑर्गेनाइजर, जो इस कमिंस के जेनसेट को सपोर्ट देने वाली यंगस्टर, एनर्जेटिक, इस टीम का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ कि आपने ये कंसल्टेंट, लॉन्ग अवेटेड कंसल्टेंट मीट ऑर्गेनाइज किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज हमारे इस कंसल्टेंट मीट में DK मित्तल साहब, CPWD, उस टाइम में जबकि हम शायद बहुत छोटे होते थे, और उस टाइम में आपका गाइडेंस, सफदरजंग हॉस्पिटल का जो प्रोजेक्ट किया था, आई थिंक दैट वाज द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट डन बाय यू, वाज एक्सीडेंट। तो आज आप कीमती टाइम निकाल कर यहाँ आए हैं, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू सो नाइस।
आप एसोसिएशन के बारे में कुछ बता रहे थे।
हाँ, इट्स 25 ईयर्स दैट वाज 2000 में जो प्रोजेक्ट की आप बात कर रहे हैं, 2003 में पूरा हो गया था, कमीशन हो गया। आई रिमेंबर वी वेंट टू कलकत्ता फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल पेन एंड ड्राइंग्स।
यस, वो हमारा एक मेमोरेबल यादगार है जो बाकी सारी जिंदगी रहेगी। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
आप आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
So that nuisance tripping should not happen, and we have one more emergency switch here also. So we have two emergency switches. Apart from that, we have single point lifting is there. Like in CPCB 2, there was 4-point lifting was there, and because of that 4-point lifting, canopy damage was there. So to avoid that canopy damage, we have single point lifting across the rating. You can see there are certain other features also has been included in CPCB 4 Plus. Like we have static battery charger also in scope from 82.5 kVA. Earlier we were not giving a static battery charger in any of the range, but now from 82.5 kVA till 750 kVA, we are providing a static battery charger also. So this is the picture of CPCB 4 Plus genset. We have started giving telematics also from 82.5 kVA till 750 kVA because earlier there was the ask from customers that we want to monitor the genset parameters and their warnings and their fault code in our mobile, in our laptops. But in CPCB 2, it was not as a standard scope of supply. But in CPCB 4 Plus, from 82.5 kVA till 750 kVA, we have telematics as a standard scope of supply. You can monitor all the genset parameter, including fuel quantity also in percentage and liter. What is the fuel available in the fuel tank? What is the depth level available in the depth tank, both in percentage and in liter? You can see through telematics in your mobile or in your laptop. Apart from that, you get 24-month warranty on this telematics. There is a 6-month cloud storage also. You can fetch genset data from this telematics. For 6 months data will be there. So this is the telematics. And below 82.5 kVA it is available, but that is on chargeable basis. So like in 20 kVA or a standard scope of supply. This is the Cummins power off. Earlier in CPCB 2, all the performance items like fuel system or air system or lubrication system or exhaust system, all these components which are performance items are being manufactured by Cummins. Now in CPCB 4 Plus, we have ATS, another feeder in power of 1. There ATS is being manufactured by our CES, Cummins and exhaust system. So that is again in-house manufacturing of Cummins. They outsource from third party. But since this is a performance item, so that is why this is being manufactured in CES, and already this after treatment system we are using in. So that is already being used in the on-highway vehicle. So this is the reliability testing. What I was telling that our genset was ready in 2021, but this norms was implemented in 2023. So 2 years we had for this robust testing. We installed these gensets in toughest. This is near Srinagar site. This is some construction site. So because we want to do the robust testing, we want to see the actual pattern of genset, failure of genset. So that is why we identified these sites where genset running was 7 to 8 hours in a day. So this is the testing, and we have done around 45,000 plus hours testing we have done. No manufacturer has done such a long period testing for CPCB 4 Plus. This is footprint reduction, significant reduction is there. Like in 125 kVA, 13% footprint reduction is there, because nowadays for the genset overall footprint, like in 250 kVA reduction is 11%, 500 kVA 20% reduction is there. Apart from that, one major benefit of service interval also. Like in 125 kVA, we had 250 hours service period, 250 hours of 1 year. That has gone into versus CPCB 4 Plus. In CPCB 4 Plus, if we talk about excellency, so we have better fuel efficiency, we have better block load capability also, because we have full authority electronic engine start from. Yes, so now we are moving to CA2M genset. So I would like to invite Yogesh to let us go to this CA2M diagram. Okay, thank you everybody. Thanks.
Thank you, Vinay. Good evening, everyone. So, from CPCB 4 Plus, which is up to 800 kilowatt mechanical, now we will move to above 800 kilowatt. 4 Plus is
Absolutely. The emission standards
set in by the government are not the same. Okay. Those are different. So there has to be a different solution for each requirement.
Okay. And one more question, like some of your competitor is coming with to save the space. So what they are doing in a single canopy, they are putting 2 engines. So any such plans, anything you are like coming up or anything like that?
One thing that doesn't save any space.
Okay.
If you see, if you compare, it will not save any space. You take 2 gensets and it will hardly save you what, in fact it will not save what we have tried to understand. It doesn't save any space.
But that is their, no, let's see, sir, I will not decide on name anybody specifically. There is only one manufacturer offering that solution. Because they are not much established in a higher node, like 1000 kV and above. So they are offering
smaller capacities.
Right? So that is the one. Second point is that the demerits of that product, if I tell you, you have a dependency on 2 machines to meet a one load of a 1000 kVA or a 1500 kVA. So it has, see, when you put 2 generators in one enclosure, let's say of 625 kVA 2 gensets, in place of 1250, will not take that much of load. So that is, and then if your, let's say out of 2, if your one of the generator doesn't get synchronized, your load might get tripled.
My heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Thank you for taking the time and being here with us for today's event. Thank you for your participation and your inquisitiveness to know more, and I also thank you for teaching a lot of us. When I joined my father's business 26 years ago, I learned a lot from consultants like you when you asked very important and meaningful questions. And we also have a Cummins team who's very fond of answering questions. I could see the enthusiasm and their passion around answering one question with multiple answers. But I won't take much time. I'll request you to join us for cocktails and dinner, and we can continue our conversations while we have a drink or two. Thank you very much.